Welcome back again to my channel. My name is Nata. If you're new to this channel, you are welcome. In today's video, I'm gonna be sharing with you guys how I make this garlic oil for hot oil treatment. That's basically what we are gonna be doing today, and I hope you guys like and enjoy this video. If you're new here, please don't forget to hit that red subscribing button. In this channel, we do a lot of hair DIY, how to grow your natural hair at home, and fashion, lifestyle, vlog, and pretty much everything. Okay, so I'm gonna be working with garlic today. I'm having 2 garlic and I'm gonna be grating them. As you guys see here, you can also cut this garlic in little pieces. You don't have to go to this process that I am doing here. You can just cut them in little pieces, or if you prefer to grate it, you can also grate the garlic. So here is my bowl. I'm gonna be pouring the grated garlic in this bowl, and then the next ingredient is gonna be my aloe vera gel. Aloe vera is very good for hair when it comes to stimulating hair growth as well. So these 2 ingredients are very good. Garlic prevent hair loss because it's rich in sulphur. Also contains allicin, which has an effect like an antibiotic that stop hair loss. Garlic also increase hair growth and strengthen the hair because it contains zinc. Garlic has a lot of strengthening when it comes to strengthening your hair. So if you are suffering for a very thinning hair, like a very light hair, I would really advise that you use these 2 ingredients. As you guys know, aloe vera gel also stimulates a lot of hair follicles. It really helps to stimulate hair growth. So it's really gonna help to grow your hair. And as well, if you continue using these 2 ingredients in your hair, it's really gonna help you to strengthen your edges and promote a new hair growth. After cutting these 2 ingredients, and I pour them in my bowl, and I add half cup of olive oil. So you can also go ahead and use coconut oil if you prefer coconut oil. So basically, I don't like coconut oil in my hair, to be honest, so I always prefer to use olive oil or other kind of oil. And I have 1 cup of olive oil into it, and I transfer the bowl into a hot water, and then I let it sit in the hot water for 20 minutes. Yes, just be stirring. We really need all the nutrients, all the benefits in the oil, because we are gonna be using only the oil. As you guys can see, it's already 20 minutes in the oil. So this is basically how it's looking. It's really gonna be like cooked and soft. So now we have already all the nutrients and benefits in the oil. So you can now transfer the oil from the fire, and then you can let it sit down for another 15 minutes to cool down. So my oil have been 15 minutes cooled down. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna be streaming the oil. So this is how the oil is looking, and it's ready to use. You can use this oil as a hot oil treatment, or you can also just apply it if you don't hate the smell of the garlic. Okay, because garlic really, when I say really, it does smell. It smells a lot. Okay, always like to use it as a hot oil treatment, which is perfect for me because I can use it for like a whole day, or I can do overnight. In this video, I'm gonna be doing it overnight. So I'm gonna be applying this oil into my hair and just wrap it a lot, and then stay with the oil overnight, and then wash it out the next day, and then you can shampoo your hair. Use your regular shampoo and condition, and then wait for the magic. If you want to wash it out in that very day, you can just let it stay in your hair for at least 1 hour or 2, depend of the time that you have, and you can rinse it out. So this oil is very good when it comes to massaging the scalp. If you massage your scalp with this oil, it's going to help you to boost a blood circulation into your hair, into your scalp. And you really have to massage your scalp really, really well to really boost blood flow into the scalp before you rinse it out. I really do like 10 minutes at least scalp massage. So if you have that comb that you can use that can really help you to massage your scalp, you can also go ahead and use that massage brush or comb that people always use. But for me, I prefer my hand. Okay, so I use my hands to really, really massage my scalp with this oil, and then I cover it with plastic. And then, yeah, and after rinsing it out, you're gonna see that your hair even gets stronger and it get really, really thicker, because this oil is very, very good when it comes to strengthening the root, strengthening your hair. So this is my hair. I finish applying all the oil. I just make the really amount that I want to use in this video, which was so perfect for me. And then yeah, it's finished. I use all the oil into my hair, and now I'm just massaging my hair, my scalp. My hair love massage, to be honest. Yes, take care of it. They need it. They need massage, they need water, they need liquid, they need oil, like they need all this gooden conditioner that you know that is really good. They really need it. Our hair needs massage. To really grow your hair thick, you really have to massage it. So that's it, guys. And after applying and massaging my scalp, and I cover it with this aluminum plastic folio, and then I added another plastic bag on top, and I added my Africa head bonnet on top as well to really give it that good heat. And I stay overnight with it, and the next day, and I rinse it out with my shampoo, and then it was perfect. So that's it, and I hope you guys like and enjoy this video. If you know you do, please don't forget to hit that subscribing button. Keep supporting this girl, okay? So the meantime, hope to catch you in my next one. Much love. Bye.